Tesla Investor Day, where the big master plan 3 or whatever was about sustainable energy on Earth with no sacrifices, right? Which is a wonderful idea without defining any of those things. But it's amazing, absent from like a multi-hour presentation, speaking of the pivot to the right from Musk, there was no discussion of terms like climate change or CO2 emissions. So I'm not exactly sure what they mean by sustainable, because usually, historically, Musk has told us that we're all about to die in some kind of climate catastrophe, which is also, not what the UN reports say, but that's okay. So he had nothing to contribute. There was no car. There was no cool car. There were hints at cars that were littler. They had a goal of 20 million vehicles in some out year, but they had just had to cut prices by about 10% because their inventory was in vertical climb. So there are real issues around how they're going to stay where they are, let alone get to 20 million vehicles.
But the real thing that's going to happen today, getting into the stock, is that this is going to be the fourth straight week, Jay, where the weeklies, which are some of the most speculative mania, well, actually, I'd say one of the most speculative manias in human history, in terms of notional capital at risk and willingness to continue to do it despite the losses, is buying weekly YOLO call options in Tesla. And it's gargantuan amounts and manipulation by institutions that know that there are enough lemming retail people that will chase. But this is the fourth straight week where the 215s in this case, because the stock, isn't going to print that today. They're going to fail to print where all the money went. Like on this. So what happens is they were buying the 220s 4 weeks ago, and then they're buying the 215s 3 weeks ago. And then last week they're buying the 215s. And now the top end of the range at Hedgeye's 211. Sorry, guys.
A lot of the premium in those options will come out now that this investor day has passed.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.